Okay.
So now on the iPhone, iOS, we can see Opera Mini 7 Final. Well, in general, what we can see is that in Opera Mini you can have your favorite sites in the speed dial page, and you can edit them. And also, what we are adding new on this version is that before we were only available to have 9 speed dials for our favorite websites. Now the speed dials are unlimited. You can have as many speed dials and websites saved here as you want. With Opera Mini, you can also have multi-tabs. You can also save your bookmarks. For example, if you go to a website, for instance, let's go to Opera Portal. It will load a bit. You can also see how many data you have saved with Opera, because I didn't mention before, but the advantage of Opera Mini is that we have the compression technology. So when you go to a website, the data of the website comes to Opera servers. We compress this data, and to your phone is compressed already. So you can see how many data you are saving, especially if you are the ones that pay per megabyte. So this is a really huge saving and advantage that you can have if you browse in your mobile with Opera Mini. For example, when you are in a website, you just need to click the star that you see in the top in the file, and you can add it to your bookmarks, your pages saved, or to your speed dial page. So it's very easy. It's very easy. So yeah. So basically, that's the new thing on Opera Mini. We have something that helps you to synchronize all the information that you have in your mobile with your computer or with other phones or between computers, what we call Opera Link. So you can easily have all your favorite website in any device that you actually have with Opera running on it. And that's pretty much it. This is Opera Mini 7 Final, but I shouldn't tell you much about it because you have to try it. So you go in iPhone, you just need to go to App Store and search for Opera Mini and download it there. It's for free, and just need to try it. It's very easy and very fast, especially.
Okay, thank you.